Hello guys, come with me as I complete a power washing request of a client all the way in Lawrenceville. Alright, so first step, we're applying our 30-second outdoor cleaner, and it helps break down all the dirt and buildup sitting on the surface, and you don't want to skip this part. This is what actually makes the clean out even better. And now let it sit for a bit, and then come in with the power washer and watch this. You can already see the difference right here. We're going over the sidewalks, the stairs, and a full entrance to the home, making sure everything is cleaned evenly and brought back to life. And this isn't just a quick wash, this is a full reset for your property. Fast, clean, and done the right way. If your place needs this, Jacob Moves got you covered.